Hello students, today we will learn how to compare two different numbers with the same number of digits as well as same number on the leftmost side. You can see here these two numbers are here, and this is 45,967 and this is 45,861. Yesterday whatever we learned in the video, that we learned that we can easily compare two numbers. If suppose 3261 is given, another number is 2432, we can easily compare this number, which is bigger, which is smaller. You can see that same number of digits they have 4, but you see the leftmost number here is 3, which is greater than the leftmost number 2. So therefore we can say the 3261 is greater than 2400. The 32 is not it, but situation here is little different. You can see here we have in this we have same number of digits, 5 and 5 number of digits are there, but leftmost number is same in both of them. Okay, then what we will do, we'll move to the next number here. The next number is 5, which is also similar in the next number. Okay, now what is left with us? We'll go for the third number here. The third number here we'll compare. Here the third number is 9 and the third number here is 8. Now you know 9 is greater than 8, therefore 495,967 is greater than 45861. So this system is applied to compare any two numbers. If suppose here also it was 8, then what we would have compared? We would have compared another number. Then 6 is also same. Now what we will do? We will compare 7 and 1. We'll have to keep on comparing till the end, till the last number. Now let us see successor and predecessor. You already know about successor and predecessor, then also we'll do it. Successor is actually the number following the present number. Following the present number means, for example, you take 16 is the number whose successor we need to find. The number which is following 16 is 17. It's not it. Okay, and the way to obtain, the method to obtain successor is very simple. You have to add 1 to any number to get its successor. Okay, and if you want to obtain predecessor, what will you do? You will just subtract 1 from the given number. Suppose I have a number here 20. I want to obtain its predecessor. I will simply subtract 1 from here. If I subtract 1 from here, it will become 19. So 19 is the predecessor of 20, and if I want to find the successor, then 21 will be the successor of 20. Understand? Or you can say one step back is predecessor and one step forward is the successor. Okay, so let us try to do exercise 1a. Okay, so exercise 1a, we have the first question as answer the following questions. The counting numbers are also called, what are the counting numbers are called? These are known as natural numbers. If you remember, counting numbers are known as natural numbers. The largest digit used in the Hindu-Arabic number system is, what is the largest digit used in the Hindu-Arabic system? It's 9. Okay, 9 is the largest Hindu-Arabic digit used in the Hindu-Arabic number system. Okay, if the number 6743, 4 stands for 4 ones, in the numbers 6743, 4 stands for 4 ones. Is it true? No. You see yourself. What is the place value? What is the place value of 4 here? If you remember, I taught you in the previous videos that this is ones, this is tens, this is 100 and this is 1000. So the place value of 4 is not ones, it's tens. Therefore our answer is the number false. Our answer is false. Okay, now let us see the predecessor of number of a number is obtained by. The predecessor of a number is obtained by what? You can see the predecessor of a number is obtained by subtracting 1 from it. Okay, by subtracting 1 from the given number. You can add the by subtracting 1 from the given number. Now the successor of 9999 is 1000, is it? No, 9999, its successor will be 10,000. So this answer is false. Now let us see question number 2. Write the following number in words. You have to write in words. You can do it easily. So anyway, I'll do one for you. You see, let us take the number Roman number 5. Okay, so here you see the place value of 6 is ones, then this is tens, 100, then we have 1000, 3 as 1000, then 10,000. Okay, so what you can do, you can start, since 7 is on 10,000 place, therefore we will have to pronounce these two together. We'll have to say 73,000. This is the place value of 5 is 100, so we'll say 500. There is nothing on the place value of tens, so what we'll say 500 directly 6. So what to write? 73,506. In the same manner you can do all the others. This will be your homeworks. Now question 3 is opposite of question 2. You have to just write them in numbers. So this is 4,444. So 4,444. Okay, then 64,008. 64,008, just pay attention. 64, then 1000, directly telling 8. So there is nothing on the place of 100, that means 0 is there. Okay, nothing is there in the place of tens, directly we have 8. Okay, so 64,008, this is how we write. So rest of them you will write it as your homework. Okay, this will be as your homework. Let us see question number 4. In the question number 4, fill in the blanks with the greater or the lesser than sign, with the less than or the greater sign. So 34,512 is what? It will be greater. You can see the number of digits in this number is more as compared to, so number of digits is more. Now see, this is 63,458 against 63,548. You see here the first two digits is same here, okay, but the third digit is not same. The third digit in the second number is greater, which is 5. Therefore we can write this one is greater, this one is greater. Okay, now let us see question number 3. The question number 3, you count the number of digits. Here we have 5 digits, here also we have 5 digits. Now you see the first number in both the number is same, but the second digits in both the number is not same. In the first one we have 6 and the second one we have 5. So 6 is definitely greater than the 5. Therefore this number is greater than this one. So in the same manner you perform and you do all other as your homework. Okay.